is Judith Eparwa. I'm from the University of Southern Philippines Foundation.
Hi, I'm Julius Ambrad from University of San Carlos, Cebu.
Perla Insurance has proven to deliver exemplary service over the years, and they have been our partners. Thank you so much, Perla Insurance.
A few years ago, one of our drivers got involved in a vehicular accident. In fact, it resulted to the death of the other party. My presence in the police station is not really necessary because Perla Adjuster just took care of everything from processing of the documents and extending assistance to the third party involved. I love Perla.
All is well